Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. Welcome back to my channel. Today is an unboxing video. This is from Your Creative Studio. I believe this is the fourth or so box I've been sent from Amanda and the team at Your Creative Studio. So thank you guys for continuing to send me these boxes to unbox on my channel. This one is from June of this year, so June 2023 box, and it is hydrangea themed. So very floral, very violets and purples, pinks, very, very pretty. I love using these products in my personal journals, and if you want to check out more information about Your Creative Studio, you can find the link to their site in the description box of this video. And I wanted to say sorry about the lighting in this video. I feel like the partial sunlight is a little distracting now that I'm editing back the video. It just seems a little bit distracting. I thought it would be nice to show the products in the sunlight that was coming through my window, but at times I think it doesn't work so well. And my camera was also having a hard time focusing, so I might not do it again like this next time. So I hope you still enjoy this video and get to take a look at these really pretty paper things that we can use in our journals. And yeah, I will let you continue watching, and I'll catch up with you at the end. Okay, so we're almost close to the end of the video. I just wanted to pop in and say some of the things that I particularly liked in this box, and that is, one is this item that I'm showing here. It's these like larger paper pattern papers, and some of them are adhesive, and I've mentioned this in previous videos that I like to just use that as like a whole page background. It's so easy because it's a sticker, so you can just slap that onto a traveler's notebook page, which is usually what I journal in, and you can just cover a whole background like that, and it just gives instant decoration. I also really loved those oval shaped labels that were white and like lilac. Very, very pretty. And also some of the smaller little flip books. I like the interesting sizes of those, like the sort of long, narrow one. That was just interesting. I don't have anything like that, and I haven't seen that before. Oh, and also these foiled, sort of like copper foiled stickers. Very, very pretty. So overall, a very pretty box, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.